Swung over to Heritage Driven. What's up? Scooping up the unit. Got a hopefully coronavirus free demo to do with Forrest Wang and Donovan Brockway. Tomorrow is load in El Paso, so we're leaving at like 11 o'clock. And then it's demo time on Sunday and then driving all the way back home immediately afterwards. So hopefully she holds together. We fixed the transmission leak. We fixed the tachometer. We fixed the headlights turning on with the brake lights. So I think we're gonna be in good shape. So despite there being coronavirus everywhere, there not being any toilet paper and no waters, we are headed down to El Paso to go do some demos with F. Wang and Donovan Brockway at Low Class Militia. It's only a 4-hour or so drive from Albuquerque, so we're gonna make it happen. Apparently the city's letting him do it, and it's gonna be the last event that the city allows before they put everybody on lockdown and give all the events the kibosh. So we'll see. We shall see. So Scottie's GPS is killing the game right now.
Turn left onto the Texas 375 loop, State Highway 375 loop, Highway 375 loop, State Route 375 loop, Route 375 loop, State 375 loop ramp. Continue for half a mile.
Oh my God! Got the car unloaded. Now I've got to clean it with my favorite Mother's Wireless Wash Wax. # not sponsored. Just love the way that this stuff smells. Tip still. Yeah. Donovan's not driving, but his car's here. Eugene's here, and Forrest just showed up in his Death Star. Got a Burnyard style obstacle to go through, and there's a pole in the middle of it, so that's going to be fun and or interesting. So it should be a good day. Just gonna clean this thing up and do some testing. Got plenty of Cosmo Tire Mucho Macho 265 3518s all mounted up and ready to get our shred on. Shoo-wee!
Poor dog. Whacked your dog.
Well, some things happened and a lady got brushed into gently and they shut our demos down for the weekend. Kind of a bummer. Wasn't moi, and that's okay. Nobody was hurt, nobody was injured, but they shut us down, so we literally only did one set of demos. I only got to go through one set of Cosmos, which is good because then now I still have some of our local events to shred on. But they did great. They made tons of smoke. I had another grip. It was fan-freaking-tastic. So thanks, Cosmo, for getting me the tires to do some demo, even if it was just one.